Hi students, continuation student, that is solve this following compound. Solve this following compound student, that is propanoic acid is there. This carboxylic acid, this propanoic acid react with lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, hydrogen by nickel, hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. What are the production? So generally this carboxylic acid react with lithium aluminum hydride. Already we discussed in previous video student. So lithium aluminum hydride act as a strong reducer. Lithium aluminum hydride act as a strong reducing agent. It can reduce carboxylic acid groups also. It can reduce the aldehydes, ketones, acid chlorides, everything. So acid derivatives also. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is converted into alcohols. So what is the final production? The CH3, CH2, then CH2OH. This alcoholic group is converted into alcohol. Acid group is converted into alcohol. This is a simple trick. This acid group is converted into alcohol in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong reducing agent in the presence of acidic hydrogen. Next one, same thing student. This carboxylic acid react with sodium borohydride. It is also reducer, but compared to lithium aluminum hydride, it is a weak reducer. Sodium borohydride, it is a weak reducing agent, so it cannot reduce carboxylic acid. Sodium borohydride cannot reduce carboxylic acid, so that's why there is no reaction. Student. Sodium borohydride cannot reduce carboxylic acid, so that's why no reaction. Now third one student, this carboxylic acid react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, so it is also strong reducer student. So that is hydrogenation reaction. This hydrogenation in the presence of nickel, that is nickel act as a catalyst, so this is catalytic hydrogenation. In this catalytic hydrogenation reaction, it reduces everything: double bond, triple bond, carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, amides, isocyanates, cyanides, everything. So it is also strong reducer. This H2 by nickel, this aldehyde group can reduce. This aldehyde group is converted into alcohol. H2 by nickel, nickel act as a catalyst. So in this catalytic hydrogenation reaction, this acid group is converted into alcohol. So what is the production? That is CH3, CH2, then CH2OH. This acid group is converted into alcohols in the presence of hydrogen, in the presence of nickel, catalyst, that is hydrogenation. That is called catalytic hydrogenation. In this reaction is called catalytic hydrogenation. So that is also this acid group is converted into alcohol. This is also important student. And next one is fourth one student, that is when propanoic acid, this acid group is there, and this acid group react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. What is the HI student? It is also HI also act as strong reducer. Hydrogen iodide means hydroiodic acid. This hydroiodic acid act as a strong reducing agent. It can reduce aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and acid chlorides and esters. So this HI in the presence of red phosphorus, this HI can reduce carboxylic acid also. This carboxylic acid is converted into alkanes. It is very most important student. It is very most important, that is hydrogen iodide can reduce carboxylic acid. It gives alkanes, that is CH3, CH2, then CH3. This is propane. This is a simple trick student. I gave previous video student, that is what is the role of HI in the presence of red phosphorus. What is the role of hydrogen iodide? It is a strong reducer. This HI strong reducer, it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acids, and acid chloride and ester also student. This is also very most important student, that is hydrogen iodide. This hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce acid group also. This acid group is converted into alkane, that is product is CH3, CH2OH, and second one is propanol, and lithium aluminum hydride also can reduce carboxylic acid. It is also giving propanol, and sodium borohydride cannot reduce carboxylic acid, so that's why it is no reaction. This is a simple trick student. Now take the example student. Now take the second example student. and CH3CH2 COCH3, that is 2 butanone student, that is 2 butanone, that is 2 butanone, that is keto group is there. The second carbon having keto group is there. This keto group, lithium aluminum hydride, first step, first one student, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce keto group also. This keto group is converted into alcohol. Once again student, this lithium aluminum hydride acts as a strong reducer, so it can reduce aldehydes, ketones and acids and everything. Already we did in previous video. So this keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohol, CH3 CHOH, okay, CH2 CH3, like this. It is also same correct, only I am writing like this: CH3 first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So that is CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. That is the numbering. We should start from here: 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So it's secondary alcohol is formed, student. But same thing, student, this 2 butanone react with sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. It is also reducer. It is weak reducer, but it can reduce ketones also. Sodium borohydride can reduce keto group also. You remember, student, sodium borohydride can reduce aldehydes and ketone also. So that's why it is also giving same type of product will be produced, that is 2-butanol. Same product will be produced, that is secondary alcohol. It is also giving secondary alcohols. And next one, student, that is same, when acetone react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, that is catalytic hydrogenation. In this reaction is catalytic hydrogenation. It can reduce keto group also. It can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acid, everything it can reduce. It is also reducing agent. So it is also giving same type of product will be produced, student, that is it is also giving secondary alcohols. It is also giving secondary alcohols. It is also giving secondary alcohols. Then same thing, student, that is when ketone react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, HI also act as strong reducer. It is also very most important, student. HI also strong reducer. HI also strong reducer. It can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acids and acid chlorides and ester. So here this keto group is converted into alkane. It is very most important, student. This keto group react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. It gives hydrocarbon CH3 CH2, then CH2, then CH3. N-butane is formed. This is very most important. These three products are same, all are alcohols. Ketone react with lithium aluminum hydride, it is also reduction, secondary alcohol. Sodium borohydride react with ketone, it is also same thing, secondary alcohols. Hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst, it is also giving same secondary alcohol. But their ketone react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. HI also strong reducer. So here this keto group is converted into a hydrocarbon, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. This is called N-butane. This is a simple trick for reduction, student. So different variation, that is different reagents, student. This is the different reagent. It gives different product also produced, student. And one more question, student, that is this compound having one keto group is there, one isocyanide group is there. So it is also very most important question, student. Third example, this third compound having one keto group is there, one isocyanide group is there. So now what to do, student? What is the production? So now first one, student, now take the lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride act as a strong reducer in the presence of acidic hydrogen. It can reduce, you remember, student, lithium aluminum hydride, it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acids, acid derivatives, cyanides and isocyanide, everything. Lithium aluminum act as a strong reducer, so it can reduce cyanide group and isocyanide group. We know, student, that is cyanide group, that is RCN. In the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it gives primary amine RCH2 NH2, primary amine. If in case, student, that is second, if in case isocyanide RNC in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it RNC means that is isocyanide. When isocyanide react with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives, that is secondary amines RNHCH3. This is the production. So here this compound having one keto group is there, one isocyanide group is there. So what is the production? This keto group is converted into alcohols and isocyanide group is converted into secondary amines. So what is the production? That is CH3 CH bond NHCH3. This is the production. This NC group, is this, you remember, sir, NC group, lithium aluminum hydride. This NC group is converted into NHCH3. You remember, sir, this NC group is converted to NHCH3. I wrote same thing, SCH as usual, same bond, NHCH3, then bond. This keto group is there. This keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. This keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohols. Then after that, same thing, CH3. This is the simple trick, student. In this reaction, lithium aluminum hydride has a strong reducer. It can reduce isocyanate group and keto group. Isocyanate group is converted into secondary amines, that is NHCH3, but keto group is converted into secondary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. CH3, CH, NHCH3, and CO group is converted into OH, then CH. This is secondary alcohol, student. And what about, student, that is this compound react with sodium borohydride. What I mentioned, that is this reaction react with sodium borohydride. It is weak reducer, but it can reduce only keto group only, cannot reduce isocyanate group. It is also very most important, student. This sodium borohydride, in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it can reduce only keto group, cannot reduce isocyanate group. So what is the production? CH3, CH, NC as usual does not change. Why? Because of there is no effect of NC, and then after that CH, OH, then CH3. This is the final production, CH3, OH. This is the final production. This sodium borohydride weak reducer than lithium aluminum hydride. So that's why the sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group. This keto group is converted into secondary alcohols. That is a simple trick, student. Next one, this compound react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, that is catalytic hydrogenation. In the presence of catalytic hydrogenation, it can reduce all groups, student, that is double bond, triple bond, cyanides, isocyanates, everything it can reduce, student. So what is the production? Same thing, CH3, CH, same thing, isocyanate, it gives rise to secondary amine, NHCH3. It is similar to first compound, students, similar to first product. So this hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst, it is hydrogen, that catalytic hydrogenation. In the presence of catalytic hydrogen, it can reduce everything. So this NC group is converted into NHCH3. Then after that, this keto group is converted into secondary alcohols, and after that CH3. This is also very most important, student. Then after that, student, this compound react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus. HI in the presence of red phosphorus. This HI act as a strong reducer. It can reduce only keto group, cannot reduce isocyanate group. So it is very most important, student. HI cannot reduce isocyanate group. It can reduce only keto group. What is the final production? CH3, CH, NC. Then this keto group is converted into hydrocarbon, CH2, then CH3. This keto group is converted into alkanes. You remember, student, this keto group is converted to alkane, that is this keto group is converted to CH2, then CH3. This is a simple trick, student. So HI, hydrogen iodide, can reduce only keto group. This keto group is converted into hydrocarbon, that is CH2, then CH3. This is a simple trick for this following reducing agent, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.